Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. So unfortunately today, I have to film in the car. I rushed my cat in for emergency surgery this morning. She got attacked by another cat. So I brought her in and I've been just chilling across town. I brought all the stuff I need for this video, but I need to film in the car because I need to pick her up when I get the call. So not the best filming conditions, obviously, because this shot is just super weird. Also, it's hot as SHIT in here, but you know, life happens. We gotta do what we gotta do. So give Buddy, my cat, your best wishes down below. Hopefully, I'm sure it'll be fine. I just kind of freak out because I have to put her under like anesthesia, and I feel like she's a small cat, so I hope she wakes up. But I'm sure it'll all be fine. Anyway, getting into the video, once again, sorry for the weird conditioning, but we gotta do what we gotta do for family. Man, I'm already sweating. This is not gonna go well. This is awful. It's really, really hot outside. Anyway, man, by request, and this has been requested so much, you guys asked me to do another follow-up video on Supreme Patty's website. We did one about 8 months ago, probably by now, maybe even like 10 months ago, and a lot's changed on the website. Y'all wanna see if it's like legit and how these items are. So I thought we'd come back with another video, and I thought we'd do it a little bit different this time, not buy tons of just random items from his website, but buy only the top most purchased items on his website that are free. Now, if you guys don't know about Supreme Patty's website or him at all, he's an Instagrammer with probably like 6.5 million followers by now who has a website. Now, this website, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's drop shipping. He's my buddy, but I'm gonna be absolutely transparent in this video and just tell you guys the legit facts. It's drop shipping, which is very smart. A lot of people are doing it. Pretty much any website you shop on nowadays is drop shipping. People get it for cheap, they sell it for more. Smart. Now, he's got free items on his website. However, you do have to pay shipping. So this video, I haven't calculated it yet because I bought them quite a while ago. It takes a long time for this stuff to get in because it is drop shipping. This video did cost me like quite a bit of money, but I also thought it is kind of a smart thing. See what you guys are buying the most or what people shopping on his website are buying the most, and a box those items, see if it's worth the price. God in my heart. And last thing I am going to say, on his website, at least I couldn't see this, he doesn't actually have a most popular section, which is what we're trying to buy, but I do have one of these websites myself. As you guys may know, namebrandfam.com. There's probably a link down below. I own a website like this, so I get how it works. Generally, when you're on these sites, the first items you see in each category, or however, I'm just going to have a little screen that pulls up right now. The first items you see are generally the items that people buy most. The reason we do this is because clearly those are the items that people think will look the coolest. So I know I do that, and I'm assuming he does that as well because he's a smart dude, and obviously he's got some crazy tech people behind his stuff. So that's kind of what I went off of. Without further ado, man, we're just gonna get into this right now. We have like 7 to 10 pieces, I think, and also a bunch of packages down here. So we're just gonna get into it. I will be giving away one of these pieces for sure. So if you guys want it, leave a thumbs up, comment down below. My Instagram's right here. Follow me on there and let me know in the DM what piece you want. But I think I know what piece I'm giving away already. Dude, I'm right by the water right now, like by some river or something. I see 2 deers. I'm not even gonna try to show y'all because the lighting's all crazy, but I love deer, man. All I'm hoping is a Bigfoot or a Sasquatch runs out and eats them, you know? That might be my chance to see a Bigfoot finally. First piece, boys. Okay, so this is dope, actually. This is really cool. I tried to get a lot of categories, and I am going to be very honest. Are these worth the prices? I think you can get up to 2 free things for like $20 after shipping. So we're just going to call everything like $10 a piece. The fluff. Jesus. Sunglasses right here. Now, these are really popular on his website. If I remember correct, he's got like 3 different types of the circular ones. Everyone likes those, man. Apparently, y'all have really cool shaped heads to be able to rock them because I look like a damn bug. I look like John Lennon reincarnated as an idiot. The quality's not too bad on it. Would I pay $10 for these if I thought they'd look dope on me? For sure. Because I think these are really cool stuff, but they don't look good on me, so I guess we're not giving those away. I don't know why I did that. Next up, though, looks to be a watch on the website. Oh, are these conditions awful? Oh, this is nice. So you got a cool watch right here. As y'all can see, we got the plastic on it, so it's all new. We got the bust down steel, actually. It's stainless steel. This is very sick. Does it look like a real bust down? Absolutely not, but in a weird way it looks better than my actual diamond watch, which I'm kind of pissed off about. $10, would I buy it? No, because it's fake, but I mean, if you dig it, you can buy it. Which, once again, let me preface, this is not free. It's not a free website. Is that false advertisement? I don't know, but I can't judge on it because it's clearly working. You guys see this guy's card collection? It's insane. And he's a stand-up dude, so I don't really care. Whatever you gotta do to make money, and people are just dumb if they want to complain about it. Anyway, I'm ranting over. Okay, so this one I saw today is still popular. I already knew the quality was gonna be bad. This is something you don't really want to fool around with. I feel like if you guys are like mad young or something like that and nobody really knows what they're talking about, you could get away with it. But we got the diamond gold Cuban chain right here. This is still in the free section. You gotta pay for it. So pretty much it's 10 bucks if you're getting two. I think these are really, really tacky. If you're gonna get any fake ones, I'd say shop GLD. They actually look kind of real. God, I hate this. Ugh, I'm sweating, I'm worried about my cat, and now I gotta review honestly bad jewelry. Sorry, Patty. This is not good, we both know it, but I guess it's cheap. You get it from Patty, so it could be a good deal. ShopNameBrandFam.com, by the way. Did I steal his idea? No. But I did see how much money I made him off the last video, and how many sales he got. I was like, I'm not gonna be stupid and not make my own website kinda like this. It's just facts. We gotta do what we gotta do to get rich. We're going real quick, man. Sorry, I'm really freaked out about my cat. I just kind of want to get there and just check on things if I don't get a call after this. Just please bear with me on that. I know it could be better quality. I'm kicking myself for this, but whatever. Next up. Okay, so this one I saw today is still really popular. I don't get it. Lion pendant right here. Once again, if you're getting two for free, this thing would cost you about $10 with the cheap little chain y'all can see right there. Not bad diamonds. The diamonds aren't set horribly. I'm really trying to get this to focus. And I'm shaking because I'm nervous and I'm hot. God, there's a lot of complaining. A few items in. I wouldn't buy any. I wouldn't buy any at all. This actually came in the same package. We have a ring that I'm not gonna lie, I actually also sell on my website. I don't know which one's more expensive or cheaper, but we have the Medusa head right here, diamonds all around it, hollow on the inside. A lot of actual real rings that you see, unless you're trying to pay for the extra gold that nobody can see, are hollow on the inside. I can't swear, I keep forgetting. YouTube now knows like what the bleep means, so I can't even bleep anymore. It's just weird, there's just a drop of sound. I'll get into that later. Medusa ring, would I buy this for $10? Absolutely not. If I was 10 years old, my 10-year-old self who loved rings, I'd probably buy this for $10. So it's cool, I guess. But one thing I actually brought from home, because I already had one of these. I did a video on it a long time ago. It didn't send, so I thought I'd bring it again instead of just rebuying a new one. Was his AirPods. These right here are actually really, really crazy. What I did do is I compared my old pair, the real ones, to his pair, and these look identical. It's super weird. The only thing about this is it's got a button on these. I think the real ones doesn't have that. Quality's not bad at all. I don't have my phone charged at all, like really, which is bad. I gotta pick up my cat to test these, but they are really good actually. And for free, plus shipping, they're not a bad deal, especially when you put them in your ear. They look pretty legit. They're a little bit bigger, I guess, but you know, it's not too bad. It's a classic. I'm really worried about my cat, man. I'm really just trying to get through this video. I'm sorry. What the hell is this? Okay, next up, we have a Uzi. I think that's an Uzi pendant right there. This is by far one of his most popular on his website I saw, and also mine. I think it's just a really tame piece. You can actually wear it without people being like, wow, man, that's mad fake. Because this is a little piece of jewelry. It's probably stainless steel or just metal, but it's not too bad. Would I wear a gun around my neck? Probably not, because I don't rock that way, so I feel like I can't flex that way. I live in Canada, bro. This one's kind of cool, actually. Out of all pieces so far, this is maybe one that I would spend $10 on if it was a different pendant, because it's just a cool style. The chain link on it's kind of nice, and it's just very simple. So this one right here, I would actually say is worth it for sure. All right, so we have one more package here. I really wish I just left this video for a different day, but I gotta film. I gotta keep my mind off things. So, oh, okay, cool. I forgot I got one of these. So this isn't free. This is the one thing I wanted to give away, actually. I totally forgot about this. We have the shrimp chain pendant right here. Obviously, I bought it because it's probably one of his most popular pieces. I think it's like 40-something on his website. I can't remember if I got the small or large version. But, you know, if you really rock with them, it's like buying his merch in the biggest way possible. So we got the shrimp with the 18-inch stainless steel chain, I guess, right there. That's what we have. Supreme Patty's shrimp chain, which actually doesn't look too bad. It's not bad. It's got some gleam on it. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video. At the end of this, I'll probably show my cat in the car to make sure and show you guys that she did okay, because I'll bring my camera when I go there right now. But appreciate y'all for watching. Quick car vlog style video. Yeah, you guys let me know what you think about SupremePatty.com. There will be a link down below just because he's my boy. I'll support it. I think I wouldn't buy any of this stuff for sure. And this is the most popular stuff. It's not great in my mind, but I get it if you want to, and I respect the dude's hustle. If I could do it, I would. I'm trying it. It's not going as well. I guarantee you that. Anyway, Neighborhood fam, real Sean Merck in the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Please forgive me for the car vlog. Blow. There she is. How you doing, Butterball? Got your little cone there. She's pissed off, boys. How you doing? You don't even want to look at me, huh? Surgery over. Good girl.